Lord, this is my fifth bail application. My fourth bail application was dismissed by my lords only, citing that it is filed premature. My lord, the order sheet is on page number 120, my lord, of my paper book.
What was liberty?
Liberty was given, my lord, to me to file the reapply for the bail after 3 months. My
पूरा हो
lord,
गया
6 मंथ था माय लॉर्ड
3 months.
6 मंथ था 23/9/2023 का ऑर्डर देखें माय लॉर्ड
Your lordship, kindly see the order. I have placed the order on page 120 of my application. It is this fourth.
9/2023 का
May I please, sir.
yes annexure
Annexure A7, my lord.
yes.
This is the fourth bail application filed under section so and so on behalf of the applicant so and so, who is in jail since 30/10/2020, 30 October 2020, in connection with so and so crime number so and so.
2020 ਦੀ 22 है
2022, sir.
हाँ,
My apologies.
बहुत फर्क है
My sincere apologies, my lord. My lord, thereafter, earlier application filed by the applicant was dismissed on 23/9/2023. Liberty was granted to repeat the application of the period of 3 months.
तो
The application was filed is premature in view of the same is dismissed. My lord, the 3 months was over on 23rd of December, this December. I couldn't file because the vacation started. My lord, I am a 65-year-old person. I have been in custody for so long.
how much is the seizure from you
1.25 kilograms of the ganja, my lord. My lord, my case is that the whole case is
आपका कोई
frivolous.
रिकॉर्ड है
My lord, there are criminal cases.
सेवन क्रिमिनल केस हैं इनके
There are, my lord, but I am
4 एनडीपीएस के हैं
yes, my lord, but I am
4 एनडीपीएस के हैं और माय लॉर्ड इनका जो 23/9/2023 का जो ऑर्डर था उसमें 6 मंथ का लिबर्टी थी इनको इन्होंने 2 महीने बाद लगा दिया फिर वो गलती से 3 महीने आ गए उस ऑर्डर में और
My lord.
लेकिन बाद में भी मेंशन किया गया इस डेट को 23/9/2023 को मेंशन किया गया उस ऑर्डर में
my lord, having regards to this, my lord.
6
Seizure witnesses have been turned hostile. I'll also advance my arguments on merits if my lords direct me so, but my lords kindly consider that I am 65-year-old, my lord. The whole case is frivolous.
आपके ऊपर 4 केस है एनडीपीएस
My lord, there may be, my lord, this case is frivolous case, my lord. My lord, section 55, subclause 5 of the NDPS is not complied with duly. My lord, the FSL report is not yet submitted. So, my lord, I am in the custody for more than 1 year only on the suspicion that it was ganja. There is no scientific report saying that it was ganja. My lord, section 50, clause 5 of the NDPS, it is very categorically given there, particularly for. May I please assist, my lord.
यस
My lord, I'll also my lord, page 59 of my paper book, my lord.
आप 50 सब क्लॉज 5 में क्या बता
Yes, my lord. When the officer is duly authorized under section 42, section 42 has reason to believe that it is not